Hey there, welcome back to the channel. So if you stuck with us throughout the slow winter, not a lot of content, thank you. It's March 3rd and it's like 65 degrees out. So we had plans yesterday, today's Sunday. We had plans yesterday all day, so couldn't get out camping even though the weather's awesome. So we thought we'd take advantage and get out here on a Sunday drive and hit a trail that we hadn't been on. This trail is just northeast of Reed City, Michigan, and I want to say it's called the Sunrise Trail, Sunrise Lake Trail. So Sunrise Lake Trail. We got actually invited by one of our friends to go on this trail in the winter, but we had stuff going on, we couldn't make it. So he's down in the Caribbean right now. But like I said, it was kind of a short notice. We had some time. Wanted to get outside because the weather's awesome, so we're gonna give this one a little whirl. Pretty nice trail. It's some up and down, some change of elevation. Michigan change in elevation, not like mountains, but some up and down in the hills here. You've seen there's a lot of mud. The nice thing is it's only top mud because what's thawing so far, I think the ground is still frozen underneath, or it's just nice solid bottom, because all the mud holes have had a nice solid bottom to where we have not felt yet like we're gonna get stuck. I'm turning my blinker on out here in the middle of the trails. At least I use them, right? But yeah, it's a nice trail through the woods. Been some nice little lakes early on. we climbed up out of that and just been kind of up and down in the higher areas. You saw that the loggers, it's a logging trail, so just got to be respectful when we're around their areas. You know, we don't wanna, I was gonna say you don't want to tear up the trails, which you don't, but their equipment's a lot more capable than my Jeep is. And the tracks and big, huge tires, whatever, but just respectful around their equipment, around their work sites. So, but yeah, this is a pretty nice trail. I like this one. It's fun. Not overly challenging. Not under. Like I said, there's some mud holes and stuff. And we saw a couple of Jeeps. We saw a couple of vehicles earlier on. Another truck, and then a few ATVs. So I don't know if I'd want to be on this trail in the peak of the summer, because I would expect this is pretty highly trafficked with side-by-sides and ATVs. It kind of parallels the Everett motorcycle trail, and it kind of, you see the motorcycle trail cutting in and out across this trail here and there. But so there's probably some dirt bike traffic, and I've said in my earlier videos, I don't have anything against any of them. They're all fun. I've done them. I've enjoyed them myself. It's just mixed traffic when we're in bigger Jeeps going slower pace, and some of them are ripping through here pretty good, and they're having a great time. They're not doing anything wrong, but I just always don't want to be in a situation where one of them smaller, faster vehicles comes around a curve really fast, and here and there we sit, not unable to do anything. So I try to stay out of mixed traffic areas, out of concern and safety. Not anything against any of the groups. Like I said, I've enjoyed them myself. They're a lot of fun. But like I say, I try to stay on Jeeps or trails that are more like Jeep and Toyotas and whatever else. Not haters there either. So, but this is a fun trail. There's a little bit of snow here and there yet, in the pockets in the shade, and some mud holes, some rock. We haven't seen much wildlife today. We saw a couple swans on the pond back there, but it's kind of hoping to see some deer. Off chance we might catch a glimpse of a bear, but that's not likely. Possible, but not real likely. But it's nice to get back out. That's the big thing, man. This weather's really nice, and just getting antsy, getting stuck inside all winter long, but it's just a nice weather day, and nice to get back out on the trail with my baby. Bogging down right here. So we'll see what else we can find up here. Alright, we are at Sunrise Lake at the north end of the trail. It's actually just across the road. We're on the north side of the road that the trail ends at, but it's just really nice to get back out today. The weather's great. You can see there's still ice on the lake, but it was 65 degrees and sunny today. So right across the road also, when we came off the trail, there's a campground there, Sunrise Lake Campground, and nice wooded camp spots, rustic. There are pit toilets, there's fire rings. Being right on a trail and right by the lake, I'm guessing it's probably pretty busy in the summer. The way it sits right now, it'd be awesome camping there because there's nobody there. But yeah, I think probably in the summer it's pretty busy with fishermen, maybe the dirt bikes and side-by-side crew or groups. I'm not sure, but I'm just assuming it's going to be pretty busy. But like I said, it's really nice to get back out on the trails today and enjoy the nice weather. I hope you were able to get out. If you don't mind, give us a like if you liked our stuff, our video. Comments, I like the comments. I like to respond to every one of them, and just appreciate you watching. So just remember, we adventure at our level. Get out and adventure at your level. Thanks for watching.